Hello, video guy here. So a lot of persons say that you can't make money on Fiverr as a Nigerian. I mean, currently, by Nigerian I mean people that are not from Nigerians actually, and people that are not from USA and UK. But that's totally false. Totally false, because there are a lot of Nigerians making money on Fiverr currently, and which I happen to be one of them. I have here, what I have here is $100 bills into four places. Okay, $400 bills. Okay, this is money I made from a single Fiverr order. So in this particular video, I want to show you, how to make money as a Nigerian on Fiverr. Things that has been hindering your progress from making sales as a Nigerian seller on Fiverr. Okay, so if you want to get all the juicy details, make sure you watch till the end of this video. So without further shalaye, let's roll the intro. Okay, so what's up guys, welcome to this very video lesson where I'll be talking about how to make money on Fiverr as a Nigerian. Okay, by Nigerian I mean people that are non-US sellers and also non-UK sellers. Okay, so but before I dive into all the details, let's talk about these three things. I want you to please do me this favor: subscribe if this is your first time here and you have not yet subscribed to my channel. Subscribe and turn on the bell notification icon, then leave a like. Okay, like this video. These things are free. It's a way of supporting what I do on this channel and helping me grow. Then comment if you have a question, how you feel about this content. If you feel you didn't get value, yes, say it in the comment section. I would like to know so I improve. Okay, then having done these three things, thank you so much, and let's get started. So first of all, I want to term this video how to, like, I already debunked it that is a lie that Nigerians are not making money. Nigerians are making money on Fiverr. Okay, so that's for a fact. Okay, but then where I want to touch right now is the points, things that have been hindering you, like things that have been that has been a setback for you to make money as a Nigerian on Fiverr. Okay, so let's start with your niche. Okay, your niche. So if you are in a Nigerian, okay, sellers on Fiverr consider you as non-native English speaker, non-English speakers. Okay, this is what they consider you as. That English is not your first language. Okay, so if you are on this particular category called writing and translation, okay, writing and translation, let me just open up one of them. Okay, called writing and translation, you are definitely going to be having low orders in queue. Okay, although there is an exception to this, but trust me, let me carry out an experiment right now. Okay, so I searched content writer over here and filter the search to only those living in Nigeria, from Nigeria. Then let me go over here and search the same content writer. Let me search the same content writer. Okay, then let me filter the search details. Okay, seller details to those living in the United States, over 2,000 of them. Okay, let me apply. Okay, so I want you to see something. Each and every one of them have a great number of reviews: 34, 18, 245, 810. The list goes on and on. Look at 146, isn't it? Look at the reviews. Very, very, very high, like on the high side, 500 and something. Do you guys see it? These are all, writers from America. Although some Nigerians sneak in here, they have a way of doing it, but most of them are from United States, and you can see the reviews. 117, like, so high, isn't it? So, but let me go over to Nigerians. Look at, these are sellers that are under this particular keyword, content writer. Let's check out their reviews. 166, quite okay. 167, 2, 97, 68, 82, 82, 12, 10, 30, and so on and so forth. But do you guys see the difference? That is, those in the US has more in sales. Let me even open up to one of them. Let me open up to this one. Let me open up to this. Okay, so let me see. Then this person is a Fiverr choice. Let me open up to this. Let's see how many orders in queue. I'm just explaining. This is just 2 orders in queue for a Fiverr choice. Then you come over here, these 7 orders in queue. Then let's go over to those in US. Okay, let me open up one of them. Okay, these are sellers in US. Let me open up to this one. Okay, let me open up to this one. Okay, this is a top rated seller. Let me leave top rated seller out of this. Then let me open up one of these again. Okay, just average sellers. Let's see, 4 orders in queue, Fiverr's choice, and this person right over here. Hey, sorry, I closed this. 7 orders in queue. Okay, 4 orders in queue. Let me open up one again. Okay, so I'm just an illustration. 10 orders in queue for a level 2 seller. Okay, so this, if you are in any of the writing niche, not just content writing, the difference is clear. You are going to be having low amount of order, cause sellers on this niche, anything related to writing, they consider you not a native Nigerian English speaker. Although some of them overlook it, don't mind me. Some of them, there is always an exception. Okay, but if you're in any of these niche that has anything to do with writing content, okay, then there is a point in time where they will ask you, where are you from? You say Nigeria, and they will just go their own way. They tell you, thank you, let me find someone else. Okay, so that's for a fact, that's one of them. Okay, anything writing niche, although there is an exception. Okay, so but then those exceptions are, you can still make a killing on those particular niches, writing niches. Okay, then there's another downside of being on the writing niche. I don't know if I will see this quickly, but on the reviews, like, you get more of, you know, the 4 stars, the 3 stars on these writing niches most often times. I don't know these people. I don't know how they are pulling over 5 stars on this. Okay, they are doing an amazing work, but trust me, you are like, there are more 4 stars, 3 stars, 1 stars review under writing niche if you are from Nigeria or non-English, non-native English speaking country. Okay, than there is in any other niches. Okay, because when you deliver an order, they will tell you, okay, they expect you to write like them. Okay, but you are not a native English speaker, although there is an exception. Okay, so understand what I mean. So this is number one. This is one of the reasons why you might not be making sales. Okay, then how do you fix it? Go for niches where the competition is low and where you are needed. Okay, sorry, let's go over to this third one. Go for country niche gigs. Okay, so instead of going to this writing, there are other niches where they specifically need someone from, you know, Nigeria or other native speaking English speaking countries. Okay, more like, let me say, male black voiceover artists. Okay, artists. Okay, so there are gigs that require just people from, you know, blacks, people from Nigeria, people from other, you know, countries. Okay, there are some gigs that require those sellers look out for those persons, like African American. Okay, so there are some niche country gigs that people want people from this country to deliver it, and these are some of them. Okay, but if you niche down like this, you know, you hardly get orders. As you can see, there are less reviews here, so orders are not much in queue. Okay, so but instead of going for all these niche this thing, what's it called, low niched gigs. Okay, instead of going here, you can try out other gigs. Apart from if you are not writing on Fiverr, there are other ways you can make money. Okay, there is digital marketing. So far as you have the skills and you can deliver the tools, digital marketing, I've talked about it in my previous videos. Okay, there are other gigs you can offer apart from writing if you are from non-English native English speaking country. Okay, so there are other ones: music, programming and tech, WordPress, and all of those other gigs. You can go there and you can go on Fiverr and offer all these services apart from writing. No, it's not a must. You must offer writing. Okay, so having mentioned this, then one other thing that may be a hindrance to you making sale on Fiverr as a Nigerian is you are going for niches or gigs that where the competition is very high. Okay, so for you to start making sales, you need to go to where the competition is low. All right, how do you know? I've talked about several times about doing keyword research and keyword volume, okay, on Fiverr. So how do you know where the competition is not high? It's very simple. You all do it on Fiverr, search box. Okay, you can look out for gigs like maybe you can look out for what's it called, video subtitles, YouTube subtitle. Okay, subtitles. Okay, these are gigs. Okay, services. You see, YouTube subtitles. These are services with low competition. They are very low. Okay, these are services you can offer that you don't have so much competition in it. If you go to, let's go to another niche, something like video animation. If you go over to subtitle and captions, look, subtitle and caption, you will see the number of services, 2,000. Okay, but if you search YouTube subtitle, you'll be having 300 services. Okay, so this applies to so many niches on Fiverr, almost all niches on Fiverr. If you check logo design, you see that the services is over 200,000. Okay, but if you check YouTube logo, okay, if you check YouTube logo design, okay, you see that it's relatively low compared to the 200,000. Okay, you guys see it, right? 53,000. So this is what I mean by go for niches where competition is low. Okay, so this is one of the things that might be a hindrance for you as a Nigerian. Maybe you are where you have over 200 and something sellers. Okay, so go for where competition is low, which I just showed you how to know them. Look out for those gigs you can offer with low competition. All right, so having mentioned that, then number 4 is deliver quality service. Deliver quality service, no matter whatever niche you are on Fiverr, okay, be it under graphics, digital, writing, video, and co. If you offer good service, okay, Fiverr has a way of rewarding you. Like you saw me talk about a particular Nigerian with Fiverr Choice. Okay, there are some writers with Fiverr Choice logo, or this person's rising talents. Okay, so if you offer offer top-notch services on Fiverr and you deliver it to your sellers, they give you amazing reviews. Fiverr has a way of presenting you to your sellers, to your buyers. Okay, so then I've said it in the past that Fiverr gig ranking works with these things. Let me write it down so you guys see. It works with reviews, it works with keywords. Okay, it works with number of people that loves your gig, loves and like. Okay, so it depends on then tags. Okay, which is part of descriptions. Okay, so but one of the key ones is offering particular deliver quality service, and your customers gives you good reviews. Okay, the more and they come back for more, and the reviews keep on compiling. Fiverr on the other end will see that, wow, this guy is doing well, let's promote him to the first page. Okay, so this is and you keep on, once you land on the first page, you get so much traffic and convert them to orders. All right, so I hope I'm very, very clear with this. So these 4 things, 1, 2, 3, 4, I think they are summary of everything that there is on why you are not making sales on Fiverr as a Nigerian. Okay, so once you fix any of these 4 things I mentioned here, trust me, you start making sales on Fiverr, and your country won't be a limiting factor anymore for you. Okay, so I think I've done justice to this particular topic. Okay, I'll end this video here. If you have any question, if this video is confusing, please let me know in the comment section so I know how to break it down for you by next I put it out. Okay, then if you are not a subscriber, please subscribe, like, share this video, and also share and comment. All right, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye for now.